Still waiting for hardware just to test Android? What if you could run everything in software in the loop with full bus simulation and co-simulated test benches? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Lukas, SIL ambassador at Vector, and today I'll show you a SIL setup that connects Android to a virtual smart charging environment using SILkit and CANoe Server Edition. What you're seeing here is a live smart charging scenario running completely in a virtual private cloud. The Android IVI app runs on an unmodified Android image on Cuttlefish and communicates in real time with virtual ECUs and a charging station model through SILkit, which is an open co-simulation middleware developed by Vector and Synopsys. And here's the interesting part. Since everything runs inside Docker containers, the exact same setup works on a developer workstation, in a CI pipeline, or scaled out across Kubernetes. Let's take a closer look at what's running inside the virtual private cloud. Cuttlefish hosts the IVI application using a standard AAOS image. No modification required. CANoe Server Edition runs the charging station model. It simulates charging vehicle-to-grid communication, including the battery management system of the EV and the charging station. This CANoe version runs completely headless, so there is no display or desktop environment needed. You get the full simulation power of CANoe in the cloud, making it a perfect fit for continuous integration and continuous testing. And alongside that, vVirtual executes the AutoSAR ECU software and provides virtual CAN and Ethernet networks. Now, how do these pieces work together? All three are connected through the SILkit network, a shared co-simulation backbone where participants publish signals and subscribe to data from one another. The SILkit registry takes care of discovery, so you can add or remove components at any time without having to reconfigure the rest of the system. Let's switch over and look at the exact same setup running inside a CI pipeline. Here, the CI runner automatically provisions the simulation environment, launches CANoe Server Edition, and executes the complete test suite. The test results are exported automatically as JUnit reports. From code commit to test report, the entire workflow runs without any manual intervention. This allows testing at the speed of innovation in the CI pipeline of your choice. So far, everything we've seen has been running inside the cloud, but the SILkit network doesn't stop at the cloud boundary. Let's see how you can interact with the running cloud simulation. CANoe Desktop Edition, your familiar interactive testing tool, connects to the running cloud session over VPN. It joins as just another SILkit participant while everything keeps running. That means you can monitor live signals, inject events, or even bring real Hill hardware into the loop. And here's what makes it especially powerful. CANoe Server Edition and CANoe Desktop Edition share the same test environment. Run it headlessly in the cloud for scalable CI testing, or connect it interactively for debugging and analysis whenever you need to. And that's the key takeaway. With a single co-simulation environment, you can move seamlessly from cloud-based CI to interactive debugging at your bench, and even all the way to Hill, without changing your setup. CANoe provides scalable automation and powerful analysis, while SILkit serves as the open co-simulation backbone, tying everything together. Optimize your workflow with our tools. Vector's cloud-native automotive testing stack is available today. If you'd like to learn more or discuss your own use case, you'll find our contact details in the description below. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to check out our SILkit open source project on GitHub. You'll find documentation, samples, and everything you need to get started. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. See you in the next one.